Hello, I'm Olara. Welcome to my kitchen. I turn my baking passion to a moneymaker. You too can. Now let me show you how. I showcase my creations on a unique online bakery marketplace for bakery sellers and bakery lovers alike. Customers buy, I bake to order. My secret is ebuyerbaker.com. ebuyerbaker.com saves me time and no stress. I set up my bakery shop in 5 minutes with built-in promotion tools, secure payments, and a vibrant baking community. I share my story and earn from my passion. As a home baker, I use only fresh ingredients. I bake and sell cakes, pies, cupcakes, and pastries to a hungry audience eager for authentic handmade delights, locals and nationwide too. Here's how it works. Step 1. I receive my orders via ebuyerbaker.com. This way, nothing is wasted. No excessive ingredients purchase. No portion guesswork either. Once my order is baked and completed, depending on where my order came from, I package and take it to the post office, especially for nationwide or international orders. Or I get a delivery rider to collect for local delivery. That's simple. Step 3. My order is delivered to the buyer to enjoy. It's that simple. Why not join ebuyerbaker.com? I sit back and watch my orders grow while creating brand awareness. ebuyerbaker.com does the heavy lifting, so I do not have to stress. They market, promote, tools, and provide secure payment methods, so I am able to take orders from anywhere worldwide. So what are you waiting for? Do not leave in the cupboard. Turn those ingredients in your kitchen into bakery items and start selling your baked products on ebuyerbaker.com today. Sign up and become a vendor today. It takes only 2 minutes.